Welcome back, guys, to another video. And today, well, we are going to be finally doing the motorcycle video. And this is going to be where I ride my motorcycle and stuff. So, yeah. So, enjoy, and don't forget to hit those like and subscribe buttons down below. And also comment what other videos should I do. And, stuff in the comment section, and also go check out some other YouTubers videos, and also subscribe to them and stuff. So yeah, so anyways, we're gonna get right into it. So yeah, so we're gonna so yeah, so the motorcycle is this way, and this is just the start of it. So, real quick fact, you guys might not believe this, but this motorcycle right here, this one, is just as old, but the same age as these two are super old, but as you can see, they're really bad condition. They won't even start. And yeah, but can you just compare right now? Bro, these are completely different conditions. So yeah, so this one's been stuck in the shop for a while and stuff, so it hasn't been ridden for a while. Well, hope it's good. This is my new helmet that I got not too long ago. And yeah, this is a pretty cool motorcycle helmet. And yeah, so let me show you the map of the entire course. And don't worry, for people that are afraid they might not read my handwriting, well, I made sure everybody can. So, this is the map. So, as you can see, the start's right here, which is right over there. Right there where we just saw the motorcycle, and then it goes over here to that mound. As you can see, there's a long straightaway. It curves down to over there. And it goes all the way over here to that mound, over there, then goes all the way over here, goes kind of across like a little bit of hilly part, and goes over there, kind of, then a long straightaway to that road over there, and all the way over here, over there, right over there between those trees, all the way down over here and back to there. So yeah, there's a lot of curves, some bumps and stuff, so we'll hope, and stuff, so yeah, so that's the course, and yeah, so we'll hope this thing starts, and we'll hope it goes good, no crashes, anything, so let's hope. And I don't actually know how to tie this thing up, and so I'm gonna get some help here real quick with tying it. This is my wonderful dad right here. Sorry if you can't really hear me, because, yeah, this thing's really hard to talk because it squeezes your cheeks. My cheeks right here, so it's really hard to talk. There's a lot of padding in here, though. It's actually really hard to talk, so. Yeah, it's actually really hard to talk. Let me just put these glasses on. Actually, just screw the glasses. So, yeah, so let's hope this thing actually starts. So we got that. There's a choke. That. What? Confused here. Oh, wait, what? Doing fine. So why didn't it start? What? This choke is on. Off? Okay.